Heavy rain in Padang has caused flooding that's inundated dozens of homes in the Nanggalo sub-district, forcing many residents to flee. Some areas near the Batang Kuranji River were under a meter of water. Residents say the area flooded quickly, but they had enough time to seek safety on higher ground. The area often floods during the rainy season. The heavy rain has also caused a landslide in the Lubuk Paraku area of Padang City. Mud partially buried part of the Trans-Sumatra Highway that passes through Padang City and almost forced a minibus and a truck into a ravine. The landslide overturned two vehicles coming from opposite directions. It cut the highway linking Padang City to Solok and further to Jambi for a few hours.
Truk tangki dari bawah mau ke atas sehingga didorong longsoran yang dari bawah jalan tebing terjadi menabrak Toyota Aras yang dari atas.